Peter Phillips weaponized Drankro politics against Andrew Holness and it backfired. It's the PNP's lesson in poetic justice. Hey everyone, Skywalker here. Welcome back to my channel where good coffee makes bad people upset. Let's talk about justice, karma, and why evil plans always crumble. Peter Phillips and the PNP tried to victimize Andrew Holness, but their strategy backfired spectacularly. Mara Golding and Peter Bunting tampered with this ungodly plan, and now they are facing the consequences. Wickedness can't adapt to goodness, and those who plot evil often destroy themselves, like chopping the very branch they are standing on. Universal justice prevails. Justice is inevitable. Marcus Garvey reminds us to shun evil, and history shows us that the wicked always fall. God's unseen power is like the wind, tougher than nails, moving oceans and exposing the vanity of false success. The energies of the Aquarian age have shifted, bringing swift retribution and empowerment for those who stand for good. So karma is getting more and more instantaneous in this life, and you need to adapt to the changes. Andrew Holness, like innovators Maxwell Chikumbutso and Ibrahim Traore, dared to dream big for his people. His vision for a better Jamaica made him a target for those clinging to outdated, selfish politics. The PNP smear campaigns only strengthened his resolve and support from the people. Their lies and tactics have become their undoing. Yeah. The culture of greed and corruption is crumbling. The PNP's reliance on junker politics and alliances with criminals brought temporary success but left Jamaica in fear and poverty. Their evil strategies to destroy leaders like Edward Siaga, Bruce Golding, and now their attempts against Andrew Holness have only exposed their own flaws. As energies shift, the world moves toward equality and justice. Those who resist this change will find themselves left behind. Andrew Holness, resilience, and dedication to the people of Jamaica symbolize a new era of leadership, one that prioritizes integrity and progress over selfish ambition. Now, the PNP is in a position where every move they make only exposes more of their flaws. If they continue with their drunken politics, they'll maintain their upsetting presence and reputation. If they attempt to act with integrity and decency, they'll come across as hypocrites or generals. Even their newfound support for the government's fight against crime, despite opposition members allegedly funding gangs with public money, feels like a desperate attempt to share in the accolades. There's little the current PNP leadership can do to redeem themselves. The honorable choice would be to step aside and allow a new generation of decent, principled leaders to rebuild the PNP party. Salvage the PNP. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.